Jianbing is really special because it's made freshly in front of you pretty quickly. It's like a little bit of a show. You can customize it. There's a lot of variations available. You want 1 egg, or you want 2 eggs, or you don't want cilantro, or you do want cilantro. Jianbing is just one food, but within the Jianbing world, there's all these variations, and it's fun to watch. It's visual. I spent 2 semesters abroad studying in China, Harbin and Beijing. So that was in 1998. Every morning before school in Beijing, we'd be hungry for breakfast, and we'd walk outside, and outside our school was a Jianbing cart. Chinese food's been in America a long time, 150 or 200 years, ever since Chinese originally started coming here in the early mid-1800s. And the food was mostly influenced by southern Chinese Cantonese cuisine, right? That's where most of them came from during the gold rush, or to help build the railroad tracks after the Opium War and things like that. So it's only more recently that northern Chinese food culture has started to become, I think, more impactful in America. And Jianbing is one of those things that, for whatever reason, was never brought over here back then. And now that you have more Americans traveling to China for school or for work, and more Chinese coming to America than ever before, there's an opportunity for a Jianbing to become a popular food product